2006 Chevy Corvette LS2 6.0 liter V8. Has stock converters right there and right there. Duals out into an H-pipe all the way back into Borla S-type mufflers. We didn't do any of this work. It came in like this. He's still deciding on what he wants. So we'll film it when he brings it back. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Your sound decibels? One more time. Peaks at 103. Can't go wrong with Borlas. Alright, go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can also find all our products at exhaustaddicts.com. If you have any questions, give us a call. 615-612-6244. Let you guys hear on the inside. (2006) Chevy Corvette C6 6.0 liter V8. A lot of sixes. Can't go wrong with Borla, guys.